These two products are curly hair approved. My hair is in desperate need of some TLC. We need to get to work. These two hair products from Uncle Funky's daughter. This is the Heal and Renew Intensive Hair Mask, and then Thirsty Curls Leave-In Revitalizer. It smells really good. It definitely has like a minty smell to it a little bit. And it looks like a really thick hair mask as well. The intensive hair mask might be too much. The curls are looking like with the mask in. Yeah, that's really nice. I do like that. All right, I just rinsed my hair. It feels nourished. It smells great, and I feel like the curls are back and they're alive. What I'm doing is using the Thirsty Curls Leave-In Spray. It smells good. It kind of has like a lemongrass smell to it. Say that the curls are defined. Oh, this is beautiful. And the curl definition goes crazy right now. Curls look good.